Hello everyone, I am Madhurima and welcome back to our channel Tetrified Us. So today I'm gonna talk about my hair care routine. So I have been getting quite a few requests to share my hair care routine, so I thought of making this video. This is a routine even men can follow. It's a unisex routine. Anybody can follow this. So let's talk about hair first. Hair is nothing but actually dead protein. So if you want to take good care of your hair, you have to take care of your scalp first. So another thing to remember is that you can't change your hair type and hair texture completely. It depends mostly on your genes. But you can work to improve it a bit. So I actually have oily scalp and my hair is on the drier and frizzier side. My hair texture is actually straight and heavy, and my hair growth is also good, not bad. But I face the problem of dandruff in the monsoon and winter season, and I have this split ends problem throughout the year, which can't be cured actually. You can lessen it, but it won't go away. It will stay with you. Your split ends aren't gonna go away completely. So I'm not a hair expert, but I'm gonna share some tips and tricks that work for me and my hair care routine as well. So without any further intro, let's begin. I will like to talk about the hair mask I'm currently using. I'm using this hair mask by Mamaearth, the Argan hair mask. So I use this twice a month before shampooing on my damp hair. First I massage it in my scalp and then in the length of my hair. This makes my hair nourished. It gives nourishment to your hair, makes it less frizzy. But I would like to say that I have used the tea tree version of this Mamaearth hair mask and I liked it better because it tends to make my hair a bit heavy. And the tea tree one also helps to clean your scalp from dandruff and everything. I use this shampoo by Vella Professionals. It's their oil reflections range and I love this shampoo. Like literally, it may be on the pricier side, but the effect it does is amazing and it's worth every penny. It transformed my dull hair into this shiny hair, and it makes my hair smooth and silky, and I just love it. And I would like to share a tip with you guys that always comb your hair before going to shampoo, as it helps to reduce the tangle, and in the meantime it also helps in reducing the hair fall. For conditioner I use this one by OGX Brazilian Keratin Therapy hair conditioner. So I had done this keratin treatment on my hair back in September, but it has washed away by now. Still I kept on using this conditioner because it does wonders to my hair. It is very nourishing. It nourishes my hair and it makes it smooth, and it also helps in cutting the frizz. And the plus point is that it smells heavenly, like chocolate. I apply it on my hair for like 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off. I use this hair serum by Matrix Opticare range after I shampoo and conditioner in my damp hair. It helps to detangle my hair, it keeps my hair shiny, and it also minimizes the frizz. So I would like to share a tip again, that you should start combing your hair from the tips and work your way up towards your roots, as it helps to detangle your hair properly and it also helps in reducing the split ends. So I recently incorporated this in my hair care routine, which is this green tea. As we all know that green tea is very good to fight dryness, and it helps to fight off the dryness of the scalp. It helps to get rid of dandruff, and it also reduces your hair loss. And believe me, it worked for me. Like seriously, I hadn't imagined that it would work for me, but it did. It made my hair glossy and reduced my hair loss to an extent. So what I do is I take 2 tea bags like this inside a mug, in a mug of water, and then drench my hair and scalp with it and keep it on for like 10 minutes and then wash it off with water. And I do this step after conditioning my hair, and it actually worked immensely. And I do this for like twice a month, so you can also try it and see what good results or bad results you get. Lastly, I want to say that I actually don't like using hair oil, but still I use this hair oil by Indulekha once a month. If you want to use hair oil, you can use, but I personally don't like using hair oil. So this was my hair care routine, and it's not necessary to use the products I use. You can use the products that worked for you guys and get same results also, and even better if you want. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you find it helpful. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends, family members, whoever you want. And please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So yeah, that's it for today. We will back with more videos. So bye bye.